Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to try out the new BB cream from NY and also this beauty blender. And I also have a few things that I got from NY and Purplle, not like NY, I got from Purplle. And if you want to know all the tea, what I got, what I have and all the jazz, let's get into the video. Before jumping in, subscribe to my channel, like the video as well, and yeah, let's go. Let me start off by showing you what I actually got, and this is the box. Okay, so yeah, I believe 6 or 7 things with me, and the reason why I actually have 7 things is because on NY and I think even on Good Vibes and everything, there was the sale that if you buy 6 products, you will pay for 3, like full price for 3 products, and you will get 3 free. So I added 6 products so that I can pay for 3 and get 3 free. So that is what I did, buy 3 get 3 wala thing. So yeah, this is how it is. And let me start off with showing you the first thing. The first thing is actually out of the box because I was about to go to get it wet, and that is this beauty blender. So you see this, how this looks without wetting, right? This is its usual size, and I think, wow, it's actually soft. Yeah, I'm going to try this as well with the BB cream, so we'll see the review for this as well, right? So this was the first thing, and I think this one retails for like 180 rupees if I'm not wrong. This one is in the shade Royal 06. This is a pretty teal color, and I think this one cost 180 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I got this one free because this is one of the least costliest things from the lot. So yeah, jo mehengi hoti hai, you pay for them for the full price, and jo sasti hoti hai, you get them for free. That is how it works. Straight up is another thing, that is this NY Bay. This is the makeup remover wipes. You can see, right? These are, the packaging is pretty, okay? Packaging is pretty. Now these cost for 90 rupees. This again is on the lower side of the pricing, and I got this for free as well. So this is number 3. Then next up we have, what is this? This is the BB cream, NY BB cream, the thing we are here for. So we are going to try BB cream and the blender. I'm just keeping it aside because we need to try this now. Next 2 things that I got are these 2 blushes. Now these 2 blushes, I'm going to review this. Actually, I'm wearing these on the bare skin, right? And then I'll be wearing it on the top of the makeup. So this is how it looks without anything, and I think they are pretty, okay? Just giving you a heads up. I like them. So each of these cost like 250 rupees each. Wait, yeah, see how pretty are these? Like NY ki jo hi ab nayi packaging aayi hai, this minimal packaging. Oh my god, like I have heart over here. So number 1 is this, this is chirpy peach, and this one was something cherry. Yeah, this is cherry orange. And this cherry orange, actually when I got it, it was leaky. Okay, see how it is, it was leaky. And this one is clean because it is unused. I don't know what happened to the cherry wala, although it was like fully packaged and everything, but yeah, something happened to it. So that is that. These are next 2 things. And last up from NY Bay is this. This is NY Bay. This is I Love Liquid Eyeshadow. Yeah, this is how it is. It's pretty, and this one is in the shade 06 Blue Sapphire. I mean, there were colors like copper and silver, the very generic colors, and I wanted to get something right up my alley, which is this sapphire blue color. Wait, let me just give you a good swatch. Oh, ow, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. I need to do a look ASAP. The next video I'm going to do will be with this color. Wow, I'm gasping for air over here, okay? And the last thing that I have is from Good Vibes, and this is Good Vibes. This is Dark Circle Reducer Under Eye Gel. This is how it looks. Yeah. So let me give you a quick glance. This is how it looks. It has this applicator on the top. You got to apply it. I'll be reviewing this on my Instagram reels. So anything you want to see from this lot, I will obviously be reviewing each one of these things. I would say subscribe if you haven't already, and whenever the video will go up, you will obviously get to know if you have subscribed already. And also, other than that, you can also tune into my Instagram. I'll give you the handle over here because I generally review, just review things on Instagram as well. If not on YouTube, you will find me on Instagram. I'm somewhere, hamesha, okay? that is that. So let's get in with the BB cream thing. Yeah, shall we? Let's go.
This is how the blender looks when dry. It's pretty soft and small, and once you wet it, it gets a little bit bigger. Although the size is not very big, but it is definitely more softer.
This is in the shade 03 Coconut Milk, and yeah, let's just try it out.
So this is how the shade looks, and although it is in number 3, it does look a little bit too light for me right now, and I'll blend it with the help of fingers. With the help of my fingers, it does look very streaky. Let's blend it with the help of a beauty blender now, and I definitely think that with the help of a beauty blender, it does look way better.
This is the side I blended with fingers right now. Definitely it did not take away any blemish, you know. My skin still looks like my very natural skin. It just gave like a very little tiny tinge of, oh, you know, your skin but better. But I definitely feel that this BB cream is pretty heavy. It's not very lightweight. Like for example, I absolutely love the Garnier BB cream. It just goes on your skin like a moisturizer. It's very good. It's very nice and creamy. This on the other hand feels a little bit too heavy, and I don't know why, maybe it's because it has SPF. It has this weird white cast to it. Yeah, I mean, this is not the perfect shade. While number 3 shade from NY Bay always works for me, but this one for some reason is light. Now imagine I was going for number 2. Yeah. Now I did try this side with the beauty blender. Now this side has a little bit more coverage as compared to this side. The blender did share it out. I took almost same amount over here, and I think there is a little bit of difference, but I like the application with blender. Like I think with blender it just has a more flawless finish than with the fingers. Like this looks a little bit more cakey to me, and this one looks a little bit more flawless. So I think I would say, yeah, I really like this blender, right? And yeah, let me just do rest of my makeup using this blender. The concealer now. Let's just try the blender. I'm just wetting it a little bit more with my setting spray because it has dried down, you know. The fans are quite high speed right now, and it just dries with sponge. So yeah, let's just blend it. Ooh, yeah, I like the sponge. I know this already about the sponge, at least, that I like it. Yeah, my old Mars sponge has actually teared apart already, right? And yeah, I needed one sponge like desperately. The shape is easy to work with. I think this shape would be better when I will work with powder, you know, as compared to the concealer in this area. Let's conceal. Now time for some powder, and let's just see the deal with this blender. Yeah, I have all the powder over here. Let's take the fatter side, you know, the one that has the bigger, you know, see, ye thoda chota hai, ye thoda bada hai na. Let's take the big one, right? And yeah, I mean, this is so good for this purpose solely. I absolutely love it for that. And also it is really easy to take it under the eye with this shape because it obviously is made for that area. Even though the tip of it is not very you know, like the very peaky tip we have in the other blenders, yet it just goes everywhere properly. So there is no issue when it comes to, you know, applying it under the eye area or anything. And let's just set the rest of the face. I think it's working fine. Jitna blender ka kaam hai, I think it has done phenomenally, and I like it. Yeah, it's nice. Let me just finish the makeup now, and I'll be back with my final review. So yes guys, this is the final look, and you know, see, here's the thing. I am not hating the BB cream. It's good, it's fine. Not something I would like cater towards. Like right now, I don't have this opinion that I would really go for this BB cream if I have to go to a wedding, because I genuinely feel it's a little bit heavy, and you know, wedding makeup is a little bit like on the go, quick and easy. This is a little, yeah, like I will use it for the video purpose, but not if I have to be on the run and I'm going to a wedding thing. That is that. But the blender, ooh, it blew my mind, right? I really like the blender. Yeah, this blender is mind-blowing. And yeah, I mean, skip the BB cream in my opinion, but definitely go for this blender if you were looking for a new blender. And yeah, oh, I forgot, this BB cream actually costs 220 rupees, and I would say if you are going to spend 220 rupees, spend on the Garnier BB cream rather than this one. things have been said. And yeah, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in a video, guys. Bye bye.